Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then click on the sounds and vibration. Now here you can see that we got here the sound, vibration and silent mode. To activate silent mode, just switch silent mode to the silent, and by this way you can see that we just successfully activated silent mode on our device. Just to turn off silent mode, switch it to the sound one, and that's it. Just also, if you wanna turn on the silent mode, you also can just swipe to the left side this the ringer notification volume panel, but you will launch the vibration. So if you wanna use silent mode, just switch it here on this just up section. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just open the notification panel, and here you will see the sound mode icon, the bell icon. Just to turn on silent mode, click here twice on this icon and you'll see here the silent, and just to turn off silent mode, to turn on sound, click here once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.